You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. I know many people mispronounce them or are confused by their pronunciations, so let's clarify. The top word here is pronounced in English as dyslexia. This is about a problem with reading, alright? Reading, dyslexia. Now, dysgraphia is the pronunciation, and that concerns a disorder regarding writing more specifically, so forming the letters in writing, so not reading. Reading disorder is dyslexia. Writing disorder is dysgraphia, not dysgraphia. How to pronounce in English: dyslexia and dysgraphia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.